Hey fuckers, welcome to this guided meditation for your titty chakras, your nipple chakras, your heart chakra. Getting some love for yourself, giving some love to yourself. This meditation's for you, so maybe just take off your shirt or take off your bra or just leave your shirt on, wherever the fuck you are, wherever your titties are at, if they're all the way down to the ground. Small titties, medium-sized titties, large titties, extra large titties. Or maybe you don't have titties at all. And that's okay. Because we're going to find that love in our heart chakra. So find a comfortable place, a comfortable spot where you can relax. Where you can relax your titties. Where you can relax your fucking face. Because there's no right or wrong way to do this meditation. All you have to do is breathe and listen to the sound of my fucking voice. If you can do that, awesome. So find that comfortable place. And once you do, softly and gently close your eyes and bring your attention and awareness to your titties, to your chest, to your heart space. Full attention, full awareness to your titties. And your titties start to relax. Your heart space starts to relax. Your heartbeat starts to slow the fuck down because you deserve to relax. And your titties deserve to relax. And your titties deserve to feel so fucking free. And your heart space deserves to feel so fucking good. Feeling this warmth in your heart space, this warmth on your titties. Nipples start to tingle, titties start to relax, heart starts to slow the fuck down. And as you feel this warmth, you start to feel unconditional love coming from your heart space. Unconditional love coming from your heart space. Feeling so fucking good. And you might see a color coming from your heart space, a color coming from your titties. It could be one color or multiple colors. Maybe it even has polka dots, titty polka dots. And you can laugh, that's okay. But I wonder what color you feel from your heart space, you feel from your titties. This unconditional love, this color of warmth and unconditional love. And if you don't see a color, that's okay. Just stay with the feeling and the sensation of this unconditional love. And now this color starts to float out of your body, float out of your titties, out of your body. This color, this feeling, this sensation of unconditional love floats out of your body and starts to fill up your entire room with titty love, with heart love, heart chakra love, unconditional love. Fills up the entire room from wall to wall, floor to ceiling, with this titty power, with this titty love, with this relaxation, with this unconditional love for you. From wall to wall, floor to ceiling, this color, this love starts to rain down on your body, fills up every single cell, every single muscle fiber, with this unconditional titty love. Because you deserve to relax. And you deserve all this love. Feel this love all throughout your body. This unconditional fucking love. And as you feel this love, say silently to yourself, I am so fucking loved. I am so fucking loved. I am so fucking loved. Feeling this unconditional love, some people start to laugh, others start to cry, because they feel so fucking wonderful. Because they feel so fucking loved. I am so fucking loved. I am so fucking loved. And take this energy, take this love with you throughout your day. Titty power. Have a great fucking day, fuckers.